25 ml of 1 normal NaOH neutralized by 2 acids A and B separately in different experiments. Volume of A and volume of B consumed are 20 ml and 60 ml respectively. Calculate the volumes of these acids required to prepare 1 liter of 1 normal acid solution. 1 liter of 1 normal. So ultimately you need to get 1 normal. Okay, coming to this particular one. First we'll see titration of NaOH with acid A versus A. Now we know normality NBVB is equals to NaVA. This is what we have to take. So what we will take in this particular one, a small change I will take here is N capital A VA. Okay. So from this normality of base which is given is 1, volume is 20, which is equals to normality of acid A, and volume consumed is 20. Small correction, volume of base is 25, acid is 20. So this is the correction. So now from this we get normality of an acid which is equals to 25 by 20, 5 5s, 5 4s, 1.25 normal. We got this. Coming to NaOH versus B. NBVB is equals to N capital B into V capital B. So this is again 1 into 25, no change in this. But here normality of base into 60 ml consumed this time. Knowing this, normality of base is equals to 25 by 60. So 5 5s, 5 12s, which is equals to, the answer of this comes to be 0.416. Okay, normality of base has come. Now the question is, if you have you have to add acid A and you also are adding acid B to each other such that the resultant solution is of 1 liter and resultant normality of the solution is 1 normal. Resultant normality of solution will be 1 normal. So ultimately we are adding A and B to each other with some volume V1, that and volume some V2 is added such that the overall normality comes to 1 liter and overall volume comes to 1 liter, 1 normal and 1 liter. So let us understand how to take this particular one. Let V1 is equals to some V and V2 is equals to 1000 minus V. Okay, 1000 minus V. Or we can even take it as a 1 minus V simply. Since there is no other things to do, let us do in a simple way. Instead of taking 1000 minus V, 1 minus V. Since 1 minus V liters, 1 minus V liters. Correspondingly, normality N1 is equals to, we have normality 1.25 and N2 is equals to 0.416 now. And what is the formula we are going to use in this particular one? We are going to use the formula resultant normality. Resultant normality is equals to N1 V1 plus N2 V2 by overall V resultant. We know we can send this one also that side only. So we can write this one NR into VR is equals to N1 V1 plus N2 V2. We know resultant normality is 1, resultant volume is 1, and N1 is 1.25 into V plus 1 minus V into resultant normality of second normality 0.416. So this is 1 is equals to 1.25 V plus 0.416 minus 0.416 V. So if you send this particular one, this 1 minus 0.416 is equals to 1.25 minus 0.416. 1.250, 0.416, this is going to be 4, 4, 3, 12, 8, so this is 0.834, 834, and here this is going to be 4, 9, 8, 9, 5, 0.584 is equal to 0.834V, and this V is equals to 0.584 by 0.834, which comes to be, if I'm taking this answer, this is equals to V comes to be 700 ml. Originally, if you cancel this particular one, we'll get 0.700. So approximately 700 ml. We'll get 0.7 liters. 0.7 liters is 700 ml. So we know the volume, this is going to be corresponding to the volume 1, V1. Now V2 is equals to 1 minus V, which is 1 minus 0.7, that comes to be 0.3 liters or 300 ml. So we are getting an answer. One is 700 ml, the other one is 300 ml.